How to add half double crochet stitches. Start with a slip knot like so. Insert your hook into the knot and start adding chains. Grab the strand in the left into the loop and continue to do that. Keep adding chains until you have the required number of chains. Count the third chain from the hook. Yarn over and insert the hook into the third chain from the hook and pull the yarn through the chain like so. Now you will have 3 loops in the hook. Now yarn over and pull through all the 3 loops like so. Now your first half double crochet is done. Continue to do the same steps. Yarn over, insert into the next chain, grab the yarn through the chain. You have 3 loops, yarn over and pull through all the 3 loops. Yarn over, insert into the next chain, grab the yarn. You will have 3 loops, yarn over and pull through all the 3 loops. This is how my half double crochet looks like.